Hi team, today we are going to see about some of the important reports in HQ2 books based on the entries of payment, receipt, journal, opening balance, company master's ledger. Based on these entries, we are going to see about these reports. So first of all, I'm going to report module. So report. So go to more. So here you can find register reports, receipt payment reports, audit summary, master reports, GST reports, TDS. All these important reports you can see in here. With GST breakup also you can find here. So based on register report, you can find sale register, purchase register, payment register. Based on the entries, you can find the report here. So I show some sample reports to you. So in this report you can find that how to hide a column or enable the column or grouping the column or how to select the range between the dates and how to select the tran year. All these conditions will be shown here. So let's select a payment digital report. So you can find that date range first, that is the first settings you have to make. These reports will work like a smart report as well. So just I'm giving one date. After that I'm going to standard filter conditions. So here that I can select the tran here. So which here I go to see the reports, I have to select here. So group location also I have to select, and location name also I have to select based on the outlet or which you are going to see, or you are going to see about the all locations meet, you can use the all location name keys. So after selecting these conditions, we have to give apply to view the reports. So the reports will be shown here. So if you want to enable or hide some of the columns, you have to use this settings button. So if you want to enable this location columns, you have to press this enable button. And if you want to enable particulars columns, means you have to enable these things to view in the reports. So you can find the location name and particulars name. If you want to group particulars means by pressing right click, you can group this column. So based on particulars, the reports will be grouped. If you want to remove the same means, you can press this close options, so the groups will be automatically removed. So you can select or search in contents also. For example, if you want to search, if you want to see the particular voucher number alone, means for example PY2 alone you have to see, means you can just press right click on above PY2 and you can see that filter this value and exclude value. If you filter this value, means only this value will be filtered. If you give exclude, means other than that all the columns will be shown. So like this you can find the settings of these reports, and you can export the reports by these keys. Export reports key based on Excel, PDF, CSV, ODS, all the reports can be exported, and it can be mailed and it can be scheduled also. You can schedule the reports basic on 5 time, and you can print the reports based on A4 sheet or 3-inch. It is automatically, it will be designed based on portrait, landscape. All these things can be all this can be printed. So like this you can verify the type other reports also, right? Receipt register report, journal register, counter register. So same as like this you can verify other reports too. So these things are mandatory, so we have to fill this. Okay, so the same settings will be available for these reports too. So other than that, you can find company master report, division report, location report, ledger master report. All these reports can be shown here. And balance sheet report, summary, detailed, condensed, trial balance report, transaction reports based on day wise. All this report will be shown here. And day book, cash book, bank book, you can verify the same in here also. By pressing the groups, you can just give go, so that the reports will be shown. So you can select the tran here in the settings also. So by erasing it and giving space bar, the tran here will be shown. So based on the filter date conditions, the reports will be shown here also. So thank you, team. So as per the same configuration settings, need to verify other reports too. Thank you.